How to use voice chat room in Bigo Live. Want to connect with others on Bigo Live through voice only without video? Bigo Live's voice chat rooms are perfect for casual chats, discussions, or just listening. Let's explore how to use them on your iPhone. First, open the Bigo Live app. On the home page, look for and tap the Voice Live or Audio Live tab at the top, like this. This section is dedicated to voice-only rooms. Browse through the available voice chat rooms. They often have different topics or themes. Tap on a room that you'd like to join and enter it. Once inside, you can listen to the conversation. If mic slots are open, you can tap the microphone icon to request to speak. You can also send text messages in the chat. Engage and enjoy. Bigo Live voice chat rooms offer a great way to connect without video pressure. Explore different communities. Let's test one. Like and subscribe for more Bigo Live interaction guides.